This is the HYCHIKA Orbital sander. It comes with, I think, 12 pads. The bag to catch the rust, heavy, very well made.
Different grades, P80, 120, and 240.
As you can see, the little dust bag collector works great with small stuff.
So as you can see, where I sanded, it's very smooth, and where I didn't yet, you can still see all the black and everything else. It does work well. It does leave a lot of sand behind, so I don't know if that's full or if it gets full that quickly, but you know, it does get full and then you dump it out. So it could be the grit. I could use a better grit to get more out, but I do see the difference. I mean, you can see the difference between what I haven't done and what I have done, but you can see it does leave a lot of sand behind. So far, I would give it 4 stars, absolutely. But if I had a better grit, I know it would get more deeper into the wood. It only comes with, the lowest grit is 60. I'm sorry, 80. I wish it did come with 60. But that said, I'm very happy with it so far, and it's definitely worth the price.
The bolt came loose. I grabbed my Phillips to tighten the boat up. The boat is, it just turned just like it's stripped. I guess I could go try to buy a larger screw to put in it, but it caused damage on a paint job, so now I'm kind of skeptical about it.
Great sander, not too loud. Random orbital power works great. Can change the speed super easily over here. Up and down. Cord works, has held up. Does collect the sand, but also just blows it all over the place. And that part's really easily adjustable. You can do all sorts of stuff. Pads are durable, and then they fall apart. But it's worked out great. Use it for sanding some petrified wood and some rocks just to get the edges off, and it's been great.